point lead and then win by 17. So ano po masabi niyo? Third straight finals. Big feat.
Una sa lahat, kudos to Coach Raika and the FD Lady Tamaraos. They played really well and they gave us a hard time. Maganda rin yun para warm up for the finals. So kudos to them. And of course, we're happy the shape namin, but the job's not yet done. We still have 2 more games to end the season. So we will take a break muna after this, reset and review what needs to be improved. Sa sarili muna namin because we don't know pa kung sino yung competitor namin. So we really have to improve ourselves when coming after this 14 zeros. For the season, I told them always to give their best kung saan kami makalapit. Now that the opportunity is here already, we're going straight to the finals. I think that the matter is our character and our identity as a team. How we handle yung championship series against sino man yung team. As coaches, kami naman, we are going to help them prepare for that scenario sa championship and the rest talaga yung adjustment sa mga bata.
Oba, this may be your